Hello friends, today I am going to expose the biggest Potylica graft lie circulating on YouTube. This was a video which I had made some months ago and I got a lot of comments telling that they didn't get any shading after following the process, whereas what I had got was a very slight shading on the flowers after grafting pink and yellow Potylica. After the video was completed, I waited for the plants to get more shades, but it never happened. So if you are expecting something like this, then it is all a big lie, and here I am going to show you what actually happens. My older plant died off in the rainy season, so I am doing the same grafting again using another technique. Here I have taken a pink Potylica plant which is of a hybrid variety, and I am going to graft this yellow local or desi version and another one which is the hybrid variety on two stems of that hybrid plant. This one is the hybrid one, this reddish colored one, and the one previous one was the local one. So this is a side graft which I will be doing. Cut off the stem and give a slight cut to one side of the stem in a slanting manner. Repeat the same process on the stem of the other plant which you are going to graft. Cut it off sideways as shown. So now I am going to place these two ends on top of each other like this, and I am going to sellotape it so that it gets stuck properly. Make sure that the plant does not move too much when you are putting the sellotape. Adjust the plant so that both the cut parts lie on top of each other, and then tie it up tightly. After sellotaping the plant, to further protect it from the rainwater as it is the rainy season, I applied a piece of polythene and I rolled it up tightly so that no water enters just in case it rains, because I will be placing this out in my garden. After this, for further protection, I applied a piece of sellotape, which is not necessary, but you may do it if you want. After grafting the local version, I repeated the same step with the hybrid one. I cut it off again in a slanting manner, placing it on top of the other branch and taping it up, and then applying the polythene and the sellotape as before. Then I kept the plant in a shaded area for a couple of days, and then I put it out in the sun, and after about a week, this is what happened. New branches had started coming out on both the grafts. That one is the hybrid one and this is the local one. So as you can see, the local one was not having too much branches, but the hybrid one was growing luxuriantly, and this is after about 2 weeks. You can see how well the plant has grown. The hybrid one was growing bushily, whereas the local one was not growing that well, so I suspected the graft might not be good enough. So let's open up and see how the grafting had happened. So this one is the local graft which I had done. After removing the sellotape and the polythene, I cut it off with the blade and removed it. And as I had suspected, the graft had taken place, but it was not a perfect graft. There was a little gap between the two stems, so it was a bit delicate and it might break off any day. And after removing the tape, there you can see there is a little bit of gap in between the two stems. It had grafted, but there was a little defect in the grafting. Now let's take a look at the other one which I had grafted, which is the hybrid branch. It is a bit reddish in color, so after removing the polythene and the sellotape, since the plant was growing so well, I was hoping it would be a perfect graft, and that is what it was. The plant had grafted extremely well. As you can see over here, there was no gap, no space between the two stems. It had become like one plant, and the grafting was absolutely wonderful. So this was a complete fusion of the two different varieties of Potulica, the pink and the yellow one, and this was a perfect grafting. And now for the result of the flowers. First of all, I am going to show you the result of this graft, the local one. It was a yellow flower and I got the same yellow flower without even a speck of pink, but on the hybrid flower I could see a little bit of a tinge of pink on the petals. There was a slight coloration but nothing much. So this is what you are going to get if you graft these two plants, and if you are expecting something like this which they show on YouTube videos, then that is not what you are going to get. You will be disappointed. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.